my dear students of grade 4. I am teacher Nibat, your math teacher. We are going to study the Chapter 1, Multiples and L.C.M. Part A. What are the multiples of a number n? N is any number. The multiples of a number n are the products of any number multiplied by the number n. Let's remember, what is a product? The product is the result of the multiplication. Example, 2 times 5 equals 10. So, 10 is the product of 2 times 5. Another example that is not written. 3 times 8 equals 24. So, 24 is the product of 3 times 8. Look at these products. 7 times 5. 7 times 64. 7 times 809. 7 times 263. What do you notice, my dear students? Yes, you notice that we are multiplying by 7. So, without computing these products, we can say that these products are multiples of 7. 7 times any number is a multiple of 7. Therefore, if you have a number n, the products of n times any number are of course multiples of the number n. Before we start the examples, dear students, you have already studied the multiples of the numbers by the table of multiplication. You have studied the first multiples of the numbers from 0 to 10. Example 1. List the first 10 multiples of 2. Let us check together the multiples of 2. 2 times 0 equals 0. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. Etc. The multiples are unlimited. They have no ending. You can continue multiplying 2 by 100, 2 by 1000, 2 by 1 million, 2 times any number. Now, what is the first multiple of 2? The first multiple of 2 is 0. 0 is the first multiple of all numbers. 0 is the multiple of all numbers, since any number times 0 equals 0. What is the second multiple of 2? The second multiple of 2 is 2. Dear students, all numbers are multiples of themselves, and all numbers are multiples of 1, since any number times 1 equals the same number. What is the third multiple of 2? The third multiple of 2 is 4, etc. Now, let us find out the first 10 multiples of 2. The first 10 multiples of 2 are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. We cannot write 20 and 22 and all the next multiples because you are asked to write only the first 10 multiples of 2. Example 2. List the multiples of 3 that are less than 22. Let us check together the first multiples of 3. we have 3 times 0 equals 0, 3 times 1 equals 3, 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9, etc. Now, let us find together the first multiples of 3 that are less than 22. What are these multiples? The multiples of 3 less than 22 are 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. We stop. We cannot take 24, 27, 30, and all the other next multiples because these numbers are greater than 22. And you are asked to write the multiples of 3 that are less than 22. Part B. How can you find the common multiples of numbers? You have to list the multiples of these numbers. Then you have to find out their common multiples. We are going to work the example together to clarify this idea. Example. Find the first 5 common multiples of 2 and 3. To find the common multiples of 2 and 3, we have to list the multiples of 2 and the multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 2? The multiples of 2 are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, and etc. Now, the multiples of 3 are 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, etc. Now, what are the numbers that are at the same time multiples of 2 and 3? Let's find out these numbers. The first number is what? Is 0. Very good. So 0 is multiple of 2 and 3 at the same time. What is the next common number that is multiple of 2 and 3 at the same time? 6. Very good. Now, let us find out the other common multiples of 2 and 3. We have 12, 18, 24. So, these are the first 5 common multiples of 2 and 3. 0, 6, 12, 18, and 24. Well done, my dear students.